Opportunity and Risk Management Institute presents Volta STEM Fair. St. Paul's Senior High School, or SPACO, in Deno hosts other schools for the Volta STEM Fair under the theme Developing Future Engineers Today. This event is set to bring many participating schools under one umbrella with their respective projects. The program emerged from a broader spectrum of plans, and it is embarked upon by Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, OMI, under its Corporate Social Responsibility Program. It has been realized that many of today's children are having pure God-given talent in them, but are hidden. The event is geared towards stimulating the genius of Ghana's future leaders to translate their pure theoretical knowledge into a tangible product by blending intellectuality and ingenuity to enable them solve problems in their communities and nation as a whole. This will improve the standard of living, provide jobs, and also make our learning experience more interesting and solution-based for teachers, instructors, and students in the field of academic. Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, led by the CEO, Madam Stella Aku-Atakpa, has placed it upon herself to bring these children to the limelight with their pure talents, encourage them, as well as assisting them showcase to the world things they can manufacture. The organizers are expecting something extraordinary than what was previously done, not only in the participating schools, but also various industry players to play their roles in the event through identification and recognitions for these future inventors. The third edition of the Science, Technology and Engineering Fair must be a total game changer to catapult the children into global industries. This will be a reference point to break setbacks and limitations in the children, our tomorrow's inventors. One of the purposes of this event is to place in the children the courage of becoming industry experts in the future. The maiden event was held on April 2022 in Abo Senior High School with 8 participating schools. Participants were drawn from both junior high schools and senior high schools, namely Abosco, Chiamesco, Josek, Avenosec, Afiasec, Spaco, Aboipi, and Abos RC Basic Schools, where the students that had the opportunity to showcase their intelligence, which took place in Abo. During 2023 edition of this event, there were 65 projects and a team of 134 students from both junior and senior divisions in the Volta region. The overall winner took home a laptop, second person Samsung tablet, and the third person tablet. Best in division for both junior and senior categories were 6 in all. The third edition of the fair has 19 schools representing, that is junior category and senior category. The first position for both the junior and senior category gets a laptop, while the second position for both junior and senior categories gets tablets. The third position for both the junior and senior category also gets tablets. There shall be a consolation prizes for other outstanding projects based on their performances. This year's event is hosting 80 students inventors with 38 projects in all. Here are some of the projects being displayed.
AI bin, smart bin, OLA SHS hold the overall best. And this will be...
Our mama will give this award, and the CEO of OMI, Mama Stella Atakba. Clap for OLA Girls now. Clap for them. Overall best. They are overall best. Overall best.
In all, OLA Girls emerged as the overall winner of this year's Science, Technology and Engineering.
So actually, I'm going to allow the girls to explain the program, the project that they did. So one of you will talk about what you did. And it's really interesting. Actually, there were other projects we were also looking at, and the points between the different points between the projects were just half points, 0.4 or point whatever. But this project, okay, you are going to explain it so that people understand what it is you did.
First of all, our program started from the drainage system, where we will use this drainage system to check the mess flooding crates, and then the waste that will be segregated from the flood water will be recycled through the AI Smart Bin. The AI Smart Bin is just an advanced version of the normal dustbins we have in our community. The AI Smart Bin will sort out plastic, glass, metals, etc. to make sure that they are recycled and used to make better products. So with our project, out of the pure water sachets we recycled, we're able to make bags, raincoats. And one last feature of our AI Smart Bin is the RVM system, which is the reverse vending machine. This is where the bin will reward people for recycling. And that helps in motivation of people recycling.
Thank you very much. So I really would like to say thank you for this and the other teams. All the teams did exceptionally well. OLA Girls, this is their first time, and we were really impressed with what they've done. They were going to clear all the awards, and I said, no, we can't give all the awards to one school. So please give them a big hand, and they are girls. It is very important to emphasize the fact that they are girls, because I worked in the International Atomic Energy Agency, where only men, at least I'll say 75% of the workforce were only guys. And every time they ask for interns, junior professional positions, so at least now when I get the information that they're looking for young students to come and work and just gain the experience for 6 months or for 1 year, I know that I can send this information to OLA and the other schools.
The main sponsor for this event is Opportunity and Risk Management Institute.